Do you want to get your first Upwork Virtual Assistant client in less than 24 hours? Then you can't miss this episode. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Confessions of a Virtual Assistant. My name is Zaira and you may call me Coach Z. And I have been a virtual assistant since 2007 and I created this channel to help you start your virtual assistant journey. If you are new to this channel, check out my Virtual Assistant Basics playlist to help you understand what is a virtual assistant, what virtual assistants do, what industries and companies hire virtual assistants, and the 5-step process to help you become a virtual assistant. Given that there are around 5,000 virtual assistants on Upwork and around 2,000 jobs posted, you might be worried how to stand out. That's why you're here, because you want to learn more strategies on how to get an Upwork client. In this episode, I will share with you 3 tips on how to land your first virtual assistant Upwork client in less than 24 hours. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Tip number 1, create and build a good profile. Remember to keep in mind your avatar when creating your profile. If you have no idea what an avatar is, check out my previous episode. Be very specific with your title. For example, General Virtual Assistant, Expert in Spreadsheets, or Data Entry Virtual Assistant with bookkeeping skills. Make use of your overview to show your personal brand. Personal brand is a combination of your skills, experience, and personality. If you have no idea what a personal brand is, I will show you my Upwork profile to give you an idea what a personal brand is. Before sending proposal, check these 2 things first. Number 1, number of proposals. If it's between 5 to 10, then that's a go. That means you're one of the few firsts to submit proposal. Number 2, check time when job is posted. If it's a few minutes old, then that's a go. That's because the client will be available in the next 30 to 45 minutes to check all proposals coming in. Tip number 3, submit a cover letter that stands out. You have 3 options to do this. First, send an audio cover. Not all virtual assistants do this. If you submit an audio cover, then the client might be impressed. Second, send a video cover. This is something that not most virtual assistants do. If you submit a video cover, then the client will be surely impressed. 3, create a custom-built cover letter. If you're not comfortable sending an audio cover or a video cover, then at least send a custom-built cover letter. If you have no idea what I mean by this, I will share with you in the next slide what is a custom-built cover letter. So those are the 3 tips I have for you for today. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. The 3 tips, just a recap. First, create a good profile. Second, check those 2 things first before sending proposals. Number of proposals and the time when job is posted. And third, submit a cover letter that stands out. Profile. 2. Number 2, check job. Check when job is posted. Check the time when job is posted.